Leo, what the fuck is that sitting on this stage? Is that your fucking fat George Costanza wallet? What the hell do you have in that thing? Let me see this fucking thing. Let me see this wallet. Let me see your wallet. Let me see. Look at this fucking... Look at this goddamn Texas fucking wallet, dude. Hey, open it! Fucking like it, the fart guy's talking now. Look at that. Hey, open it! I like you now! Oh my... How many fucking gas station cards? What's the fucking crazy gas station out here? Buc-ee's? I got fucking 45 Buc-ee memberships in there, dude. Oh, damn. Look at your style. What the fuck, man? I don't know what you keep in there, but I know it's not condoms. You know what I'm saying, Leo? Fucking raw dog Leo over here. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. She gave the fist bump, dude. That's a good sign. You better stop being a gentleman tonight, fucking. You don't even have to take your shorts off. Just pull it right out of the side, Leo. Just fucking go to town. Keep that shirt on. I know you probably swim in that bitch, too. You swim in your t-shirt, Leo? Tell the truth. If we went to Burgers Lake today, would you have kept your shirt on? Oh, you're gonna let those fucking tits hang? I like this style, Leo. Leo, you're my fucking boy over here. And this guy over here, right? Robert? What's your name? Randall. God, that was close. Close as fuck. Randall and Leo. These are my guys. These are my security guards. Just in case the lesbian chick attacks me at some point. I'm kidding! Right? Am I kidding? Are you guys lesbians? You are lesbians? Die a happy man. Fuck yeah.